Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can link PayPal to your Cash App account. So I'll be guiding you throughout this video. Make sure to stick with us till the end and also make sure to check your internet connection. In fact, there's no such method of linking your Cash App to your PayPal or linking your PayPal account to your Cash App account. For example, if you have to transfer money between PayPal and your Cash App, what you can do instead of linking your Cash App or your PayPal account, you can link a same bank account or a credit card or debit card to your PayPal or Cash App account, and after that you can transfer the money from your PayPal or your Cash App account to your bank account, and then do the same procedure. That is, if you want to transfer it to your Cash App, then you can add the money from your bank account into your Cash App balance. Basically what you'll have to do is, as already mentioned, that you'll have to link the same bank account to your PayPal account as well as to your Cash App account. So I'm going to be showing you how you can actually do this procedure. Now first of all, open up your web browser, or you can use your application as well, there's no problem. Then on the search box type in www.paypal.com and then you'll be taken to the official site. So click on the login button located in the top right corner of your screen and then log in into your account by entering your credential. After you're logged into your account, you'll be taken to the summary or the home page, and right in between you'll be able to see your PayPal balance. So you need to click on the transfer button located right underneath your balance. After that, you'll be provided with an alternate whether you want to transfer your money to your bank account or request a check by mail. Make sure that you've already linked the same bank account to your PayPal as well as to your Cash App account. Now click on transfer to your bank account. Now enter the amount that you wish to transfer to your bank account. After the transaction is completed, what you need to do is you need to log in into your Cash App account. So after you're logged into your Cash App account, you'll need to click on the option that is Add Cash. After that, you'll need to select the method of adding money to your Cash App account. Now select the bank account that you recently made a transaction, and after that you need to enter in some information regarding the bank account, or if you've already linked your bank account, then you do not need to go through all of these steps. All you have to do is type in the amount that you wish to add it to your Cash App account or your balance, and then you need to click on the confirm button. And for the confirmation, you'll be asked to review all of the information. If you're sure about it, click on the confirm button, and as soon as you do this, you'll be notified that the transaction has been completed and you've successfully added money to your Cash App account. This was the method on how you can do a transaction between PayPal and a Cash App. That is all for this video. If the video was helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching.